So today I'm going to talk to you about parent and guardian summaries. So you want to make sure that you've turned that feature on through Google Classrooms. So you want to go to the wheel up at the top for your settings. If you scroll down, you're going to see the streams information and then deleted items. You're going to go to guardian summaries. Mine is already turned on. If for any reason it's turned off, you're going to see the gray, but you want to make sure that it's on. So once you turn that on, you have to add class to guardian email summaries. You say yes, add all classes you teach. If you don't, you can just add certain classes. You can see an example of what it is going to look like. So this brings you to the frequently asked questions about guardian email summaries, how you can do this, what does it include. It includes your missing work, upcoming work, and class activity, announcements, assignments. So lets parents into what you're doing on Google Classroom and keep in communication with them. So how do they get the summaries? So you have to make sure that they accept your invitation. You have to have an email for a parent, and they usually get it daily or weekly. And if parents no longer want to be subscribed to the summaries, they don't have to. Here is what an email summary looks like. So they'll have the Google Classroom, they'll have the week for the student, what the date is. They're going to show you the student work that is missing, the assignments, what's going to be upcoming due, and any activity from the past week for your student, whether it's science, math, social studies, ELA, the arts, PE, or even gym, even band. So the way you are going to add a class, and then it should be toggled on. You should save your settings, and then you're going to go up to the top and click people. So you're going to make sure you're going to invite the guardians, include the emails. Once you include the emails and click invite, an email will be sent to the parent and they will accept the settings for your guardian summary. Once you have your guardian emails listed, you can always email them. You can email a student here, but this is how you're going to set up your guardian summaries for Google Classroom. And that's it.